Now that our project truck has its new Fruitland pump on it, it's time to put it to work. And we have the perfect job for it. This customer has had problems with their septic backing up anytime they use too much water or when it rains. We've suggested some solutions that would offer a permanent repair, but they want to try jetting the drain field first. The distribution box or D-box is full of water, which means the drain field isn't absorbing water like it should and is backing up. When we jet a line, we run a high pressure water line with a specialized tip into the drain field pipe. This breaks loose any sludge built up in the line, and the backflow nozzles on the tip push it out of the pipe where we can suck it up. It's important we keep a pump truck on standby while jetting so all of the sludge can be removed instead of going somewhere else in the system. That means the vacuum pump needs to run continuously for an hour or longer while the drain field is cleaned. The Fruitland Eliminator had no problem with it. We try to jet the line until the water coming back starts to clean up. Jetting can only clear the inside of the pipe. Most systems fail due to biomat in the soil, and jetting can't help with that or tree roots. It's important to understand why the system is failing and what jetting can and can't do. During this job, we even got solid material and even some toilet paper back. This is a perfect example of what happens when you don't pump your tank like you should. We couldn't have done a job like this with our previous pump. It wouldn't have maintained the suction we needed the entire time.